Hi friends, good evening. Welcome to SQL Master YouTube channel, and I am Manju here, and I welcome you all for my YouTube channel. So in this video specifically I am going to talk about how to hunt the job. Okay, how we can find the job, how to hunt the job. So in general we just complete a course or complete a training, and just we after completing course, after getting some grip over the knowledge of course, we start uploading our resume or our CV into some particular websites and keep on waiting for jobs. Okay, so if it is a regular period, so we get some calls and interview will be going to held for us. And if our luck is there, luck is good for us, and we got selected jobs. So if our luck is not there, we are unable to select for jobs. So in that situation, what we have to do? So for this purpose I made this video will be a very informative video and very advanced mode of specific hunting jobs. So kindly watch complete video, and if you really like this video, like it, share it, and kindly subscribe to SQL Master to get some of the job related or ETL testing correlated videos. Okay, so but before starting video, if you're not subscribed to SQL Master, kindly subscribe to SQL Master YouTube channel. So what I'm going to share you here is we have to go in job hunting in advanced mode. Okay, a little bit advanced mode. This video only for people who are having talented in some fields. Okay, so consider the ETL testing job. You are searching in job in ETL testing, so the candidate must have talent in ETL testing. Okay, for those people only this video, because if a candidate is having more talent, more genius in some particular field, consider ETL testing. So for those people, this video will be going to help. So let us start the video. So share you something here, so you can see here. Can we run Google digital ads for job hunting with short video, CV, or by using CV or resume? So this will be a little bit more specific advanced hunting of jobs, because we are using here YouTube platform by using Google digital ads, okay, to hunt the job. So obviously this is a paid version. Okay, this is not free version. So if you are thinking that a little bit critical situation is now going here and I am unable to get the job, and I have lot of talent, lot of genius, I am, so in that situation you can use this facility. Okay, so here answer would be like, yes, you can run digital ads with short videos. How it will be like, you can observe here. In Google Ads, you can create a compelling video campaigns with a range of video ad formats, engage customers in a different ways on YouTube and across video partner sites. Available video ad formats include, like ad formats which are going to be displayed on YouTube are skippable in stream ads, non-skippable in stream ads, video discovery ads, bumper ads, our stream ads, sorry, out stream ads, must head ads. Okay, so what I mean is, so you can make some short videos. Okay, short videos, all people are know how to make YouTube short videos. Okay, first 15 seconds you have to tell about yourself in advanced specific whatever you have talents, and then later about 15 to 20 seconds you have to show your highlights with what you mentioned in resume, and in what position you are having some talent, specific talents, and in what field you are genius. Okay, that you have to show in these short videos, and you can upload these videos in your normal YouTube channel. Okay, so how to create YouTube channel and how to upload the short videos, almost all the videos are available in YouTube. If you don't know, you can search in YouTube and just make a complete short video of about yourself, in what field you are having genius, and if you are having talents, if you are specific with some knowledge about ETL testing, and if you are very much of having clarity in that, you can make short videos and upload that video in your normal YouTube channel. And after you uploading YouTube channel, just go to that particular video and right click here and select that copy link address. Okay, you just copy the link address of this video, and you have to create uh, you have to create promote a video, that your short video using Google Ads. So that is nothing but ads dot google.com. So you can use this website, Google Ads website, to promote your short video. Okay, so how to promote your short video, and how to what all the steps included in promoting video. If you want, you can just comment below in comment box, so I can make video in detail. Okay, so how you can able to promote your short video using Google Ads. Okay, so but anyhow, obviously this is a paid promotion. Okay, in almost all, whoever watching YouTube videos regarding ETL testing, almost all recruiters, all employees, all companies can find your talents and genius in YouTube platform. Then they will be able to contact you people directly, only in case if you are having specific talent and genius in particular field. So this is what my intensity. This is a little bit advanced specific research of job. Okay, so almost all we are not going for this paid versions, because all we are Indians just like only free versions of any type of the hunting jobs. Okay, so for that purpose, unfortunately we are not getting a lot of calls in naukri.com also, if we upload the resume in naukri.com or other websites also, because our mentality is now recession period is going on. But this is not actually happening just because of due to some fake candidates. This is happening here because of not having complete grip over the knowledge. Okay, so I'm not hating the fake no candidates, because the candidate must be fake or real, we must have to provide the service for some companies. Okay, so that is true. So for that purpose, what I made this video. If you like this video, kindly like it and share it. And if you want to know how to promote YouTube short video using Google Ads, you can comment me in comment box. I will show detailed steps about this, but this will be going to a paid version. Okay, you have to invest at least 500 rupees to 3000 5000 rupees. So if you are having analyzing yourself that you are having a lot of talents in ETL testing field. Okay, and then also you are not getting job. So in that situation you can use this step. Otherwise, I am not going to suggest you people to invest money in this Google Ads, because if you invest the money in Google Ads also, in some situations you are unable to get the jobs also. That will be going to happen. Okay, for that purpose, I am not suggesting you people to invest the money, but on your own interest, if you want to find the ETL jobs or any kind of jobs, okay, if you're having a lot of talents in yourself and you are unable to find the jobs, and if you feel you are having a lot of knowledge and talents within you, and in this situation you are unable to find the job, you can use Google Ads also. You can use this step. Okay, for that purpose only I made this video. If you like this video, like it and share it, and subscribe to SQL Master. And friends, take care. Bye bye, have a nice day. I will meet you in my next video. Thank you. Bye bye, have a nice day.